Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video I want to talk about TypeScript 7 should you upgrade. Well, why TypeScript 7 is a big deal? It's a major version signal, so breaking changes, deeper type system improvements, long-term direction changes. Its focus is not on more syntax. The focus is better correctness, performance, and that's a big one, the performance one, and scalability. So TypeScript doesn't change how JavaScript runs, it changes how we write it and how we deal with the code. So what TypeScript 7 is really about: more precise type inference, better handling of complex real-world codebases, improved performance and tooling, clearer boundaries between what TypeScript can guarantee and what still happens at runtime. So what's new in TypeScript? Well, we have fewer annotations, more confidence and better developer experience. There's smarter type inference in complex code, clearer and stricter type checking, and because it's been written completely from the ground up, TypeScript 7, it has a faster compiler and editor feedback and better support for large and shared code bases. So if you want to compile this, it will go very fast, right? What this means? Well, it's less time fixing type errors, safer refactors, and more reliable autocomplete. TypeScript 7 focuses on working with real-world code, not toy example. Actually, one of the things that I still want to say about this is that TypeScript 7 will be 10 times faster because it's been rewritten in Go. The compiler is being rewritten in Go. And officially, the code name is Project Corsa, and this transition aims to dramatically improve compilation performance. So, should you care? Well, why this release matters: it's improved correctness at scale, it reduces hidden runtime bugs, and it makes TypeScript feel less in the way. What is the upgrade mindset that you need to have? Well, expect some breaking changes. It's a new version of TypeScript 7, and yeah, it's been written from the ground up, guys. So yeah, there will be differences and you need to deal with it. So most errors point to real issues, best tested first in a continuous integration environment or a branch. TypeScript 7 is not about new syntax, it's about trust in your code base. So I'm really looking forward to it because I think it's a major step up for the TypeScript community. What do you think of it yourself? Do you think it's a real great update? Well, if it's so, please leave your comments in the comment section below. So if we take a look into Visual Studio Code, I can install the latest one, and then you'll see that he doesn't take 7. So what I need to do here is actually instead of next is install 7. You need to know that the latest one is 6 because that's on the older compiler one, right? So that's the reason why yeah, it's installing 6 instead of 7. Well, to start using this, you actually need to use TypeScript native preview. So what we do here is we install it because it's not compatible with the current version of Visual Studio Code. Okay. So actually downloading and using the latest version of Visual Studio Code helps me to just install the plugin. So I now need to wait until I can use it, but then you can see here, install the extension from the marketplace, open a TypeScript or JavaScript file in your editor, and then activate the extension with the command TypeScript native preview. Enable experimental or upgrade or update your settings below. So you need to know that this is still experimental. So use it carefully, but again, you can start using it. playing around with it and see how it's much faster than the previous setups, right? So you see that I now have here TSGo, and how can you get this? Well, I was just experimenting with it, but here you see what you could do here is click on it, and then you say here this version, of course, or you can change your version very easily just clicking here and then go to TypeScript native preview version, right? And then you can hover over it and see here which kind of the type inference are. You see it goes very smoothly actually, so that's nice, and actually what we want, right? So this shows a little bit how TypeScript Go responds towards it. And here you can then very easily see restart server, show TypeScript server logs, show LSP messages, report issues, and disable TypeScript native preview. So like I said, it matters by just having the performance on the here the API response, the formatted prices and ID and price and tag. So again, I would recommend just to play around with it, like you see here as well. TypeScript native preview. It's just a preview, right? It's published 7 months ago, but the latest update is 6 hours ago. I think they are approaching a very good state right now, so I think it's a good moment to test and to play around with it. But then again, there is no official release like you saw in this video, so it's still very experimental and very very basic, right? But goes into the right direction. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you am as excited as I am that TypeScript Go goes into the right direction. I wish everybody a very good end of the year, and hopefully we see each other next year. So if you have some wishes of videos or other things that I need to focus myself on, then please also leave a comment to let me make cool content for you guys. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one, right?